think it's as good a win as we've had this season in the circumstances. We've played better in different games, but there was every reason for us not to come here and win tonight. You know, really short turnaround, playing in huge heat, intense heat in Perpignan on Thursday night. Picked up lots of injuries, playing a fresh team, playing a team that was getting its full crowd behind for the first time of the season. All of those reasons that was publicised as well. But we came here really professional with some young boys in our team who did a tremendous job. So I seriously, we were out on our feet in the last 20 minutes. You could see that we were out on our feet, but we just did enough there, or certainly did enough. We were the better team throughout that game, and as proud of the group as I have been in any performance this season. You know, we got to get back. 3-4 o'clock this morning, we'll get back. We'll lose a day, 2 days. But it is what it is. So we just get on with it. And yeah, we roll our sleeves up and we come back again on Saturday. You have experienced players and you have genuine leaders. Now, I've been involved in the sport a long time, and you know, particularly when I went to the NRL and involved in the England team, you can be an experienced player but not a leader. We have a genuine leader in Sam Tompkins. You know, James Malone is up there. Josh Drinkwater's developing into that role as well. Ben Garcia is definitely that way. But Sam's out there on his own in terms of that. His performance tonight was incredible, and on the back of very nearly didn't make the trip tonight. His wife is going to have a baby tomorrow. It's all scheduled for tomorrow, but it nearly happened today. So we thank Charlotte Tompkins and Sam, Charlotte in particular, but Sam as well. You know, he just put his hand up and she did and said, "No, get yourself there, and hopefully I'll wait." The young boy, he's been part-time player all season. Played for our reserve grade. Only joined the full-time ranks probably in the last 4 to 6 weeks in reality. And stepped in, made his debut. Finished it. It was a great finish for his try, flying finish into the corner, and did well for a kid on his debut. Joey Chan is the other one as well. Wasn't quite his debut. It was his second game, but he only played 2 minutes in his first game. And I thought Joe come out there and made a real difference to the energy of our group, and we needed it. So yeah, really pleased for some of them younger boys and people like Mickey Goodham, Alex de Costa, some of those young French boys having to start games now and not play bit parts. They're playing full parts in the game, and that's a good win. It's a good win for us tonight, definitely.